My name is Donovan Beeson, and I make things. I make all kinds of things. I make things that are fun for me to make, and that can be anything from a crystal covered found object to a stationary design to, I don't know, a painting, a drawing, a curious object. And I am looking for ways to share these things with people. The things that inspire me are things that are hidden away and locked in drawers and deep in the woods, and the way that discovering those things, even though they aren't new or novel or particularly what's the word I'm looking for? Valuable. The value to me comes from the joy, the small joys, the little things in life that when you stop and pay attention to them, they get a magic of all their own. The plan is to have videos, to have how-tos, to have stamps, like faux postage stamps, artist stamps, on a subscription basis. Perhaps there will be a drawing subscription basis. Perhaps there will be commissions. I haven't really decided. I do a lot of work with ephemera. I do a lot of work with the mail and mail art, envelopes. I would rather this be a space for more esoteric experimentation on my part. And if that's something that you're interested in seeing more of, it's definitely something that I would love to share.